Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and in this training video I'm gonna create beautiful nails with difficult but very beautiful nail design. I'm gonna show you step by step how I transformed these nails to the perfection. Okay, at first don't forget to disinfect the nail plate and remove the gloss from the nail plate using the nail file, and remove the pterygia using the diamond drill bit. As you can see, I'm working with 100 grit file for shaping nails in cuticles area. It's very important to protect them from liftings. As you can see, I'm removing the gloss. Someone told that I shape nails too much, but for sure guys, it's needed, especially for this client because she works with the water and sometimes she has liftings. That's why I'm preparing these nails to the limit as properly as I can. I'm removing now the cuticle, not to the limit, because I will be using the ball drill bit for removing the dead skin, but when the skin goes dry after shaping it. I'm using the gel primer. This is a very important thing. Sometimes we cure this primer in LED lamp, especially for difficult nails for such clients. But as you can see, we should cover all nails with gel primer. And after, I advise you guys to use the thin layer of the sculpting mix gel. It's very easy to order only one pot of sculpting gel and use it as a base and as the main coat. There are a lot of beautiful tones on shape of nail top cone now, with free shipping, with adorable prices, lowest prices than ever. This gel is fantastic. I'm working on this gel about 10 years. I'm not gonna change anything because I'm in love with this product. I have tasted other products, but I have already trained my hand with this gel and my clients are happy. The consistency of this gel is the same through all 10 years. It's neither not too liquid nor not too thick, so we can easily sculpt the whole nail. It takes only half an hour or 1 hour. It depends on your level of your professionalism. For example, when you are the beginner, it will take more time than for the professional. And my brother Andrew works with this gel very fast. It takes only half an hour for him, so he works as a robot now. He has a lot of clients, and every half an hour he has the new client, and he can not only make infill of these nails but also the nail design. As you can see, this gel is aging very fast, and we have sculpted all nails. We just need to remove the length of the nail. It's better to remove the length not on the beginning, but it's better to work with it after working with the sculpting mix gel. You ask me why. The matter is that the common mistake of many nail technicians is nails which are looking down. I mean, not the flat line when we are looking from the horizontal side. I mean, the correct square shape should be flat, not angular. And this is very important because if we do in the other way, the nail will look not so elegant. So it's not easy. It's not easy to shape such nails and to sculpt them properly. Maybe if you don't understand what I say, you can ask me down in the comments. I'll try to explain, because my level of English doesn't allow me to tell you more details. But if you watch video by video of my channel, you will understand all things that I want to say. The next thing is using the control bit for removing the gel from in cuticles area. As you can see, sometimes we have some floated gel on cuticle. This gel works perfectly to remove it, and also it perfectly opens the cuticle. I mean, when you need to put product close to it. I'm using the flat brush and I'm applying the pure color of the gel paint. This is the simple gel paint from shapeofnail.com. There are a lot of colors there and prices about $1 or $2, but it stays perfectly and will never brings liftings and other problems. So we can apply 2 coats and cure each coat in 1 minute in LED lamp. So as you can see, it's very easy. Don't forget please to use the buffer before covering nail with such gel paint. The buffer will help you to achieve the best result and remove some scratch, some not flat, areas. I'm always using the buffer. Maybe on this video I haven't shown you this this phase, but you shouldn't forget to do that. Now I'm proceeding with drawing the half moon in the cuticles area using the black gel paint for French manicure. This gel paint on the shape of nail, on the top of the list there are 2 colors. The main difference between this gel paint and other gel paints is this gel paint is very pigmented, so you can not only cover all nail, you can also draw details, French manicure, thin lines, like you can see on the videos. It's very easy to use this gel paint. Don't forget guys, when you want to use acrylic paint for the same effect, you will have fault, because never use acrylic paint. It's based on water, and never apply it close to the sidewalls or the free edge. It will be lifted the next day. You can only use the acrylic paint only with thin layers, like in case with one stroke technique, when not too much paint on the brush. And in the other case, only using the striper or thin brush and drawing small details. As you can see, now I'm using acrylic paint, but my strokes are not close to the free edge or side walls, and I'm also using a small amount of color. Only this way it will be drawn quickly. After that I'm using the clear gel with thick clear gel. We don't cure it, and we place some sequins on the top of it. So As you can see, we place sequins with different sizes. This is not so easy nail design. You will spend more time than usual, because there are a lot of layers. For example, the first layer we have applied with black gel paint. We have curved it. The second layer was strokes with the gradient with acrylic paint. The third layer was the clear gel, and now we're applying sequins right on the wet gel. We will cure it in LED lamp, and after we will be using top coat to seal this, to cover with this top coat all these sequins. And also we will have to shape the nail, because after covering nails it will looking bulky, and some sequins look through the gel. Okay, so we have applied encapsulated nail design. So the next step is shaping with a buffer, and now I'm using acrylic paint. Or sorry, yes, this is acrylic paint. This acrylic paint helps me to draw such thin lines. I mean, as you can see, it dries very fast on the air. This is geometric nail design, and I will be using matte top coat from shapeofnail.com. This top coat is absolutely matte. There are two types of matte top coats. I know the satin effect matte top coat and pure matte top coat. This one is pure. I enjoy this effect and advise you to order this top coat because it's fantastic. Okay, and I'm drawing thin deco elements on the other nail. You can use thin brush number 0. I think it's better brush for drawing such elements. Okay. The composition is simple. You can Google the picture, search the picture of different ornaments, and transfer this picture, this ornament on the nail of your client. And of course, if you have some faults like not accurate lines, you can fix it with the wipe and the water. As you can see, I don't draw on the edge the acrylic paint. Okay, we add some thin lines, some more. It's not easy, you know, to draw for the beginner to draw geometric lines, but I think you will try your hand. I don't like draw such nail designs because I like freehand designs. I mean flowers or something else, which nail designs which don't make me to be maximum concentrated. But I think these nail designs are looking fantastic. What do you think about it? Please let me know down in a comment and ask me your questions about this nail design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was useful for you. See you tomorrow on my channel. Have a good day. Bye.